Indian Acalypha is a wild annual that grows along the roads, in gardens and wastelands. It is not an ornamental plant as it has no showy colored flowers. The plant grows to a height of 25 to 63 cms. The leaf petioles are long and slender and the ovate leaves are about 3 to 8 cms long. The leaf margins are serrate-toothed. The flowers are borne in axillary erect spikes with the female flowers supported by conspicuous wedge-shaped bracts and the minute male flowers borne on top of the spike. The fruits are small, hairy and concealed in the bracts. Medicinal use. 1. Promotes the removal of mucous secretions from the bronchial tubes. 2. Promotes the flow of urine. 3. Bronchitis, asthma, pneumonia and rheumatism. 4. A laxative. 5. Scabies and other skin diseases. To expel worms from the body. 7. Very good agent for causing vomiting. 8. Earache, syphilitic ulcers and relieving the pain of snake bite and irritation caused by the bite of a centipede. How to use. 1. The decoction of the leaves is used to take care of the first 3 ailments given under medicinal use. 2. The decoction of the leaves, mixed with some common salt, works well as a laxative. 3. The juice of the crushed leaves is applied externally for the cure of scabies. When it is to be used for other skin diseases, a very small quantity of white lime calcium chloride should be mixed with the juice before the application. 4. The powder of the dry leaves is given to children for deworming. The decoction of the leaves with a little garlic also has the same effect. 5. The juice of the leaves is of great repute for causing vomiting, especially in children. 6. The decoction of the leaves is used for earaches. 7. The poultice cataplasm of the leaves is applied externally to syphilitic ulcers and also as a means of relieving pain of a non-poisonous snake bite and irritation caused by the bite of a centipede. Parts used: the leaves,